Hello, this is a quick video to show how to cut a video clip in After Effects. I have a video downloaded from freepik.com. You can find the download link in this video description. Now I click and drag into After Effects project, and then click and drag into composition. This is full length of the video clip. If you want to cut a video, we can move the current time indicator to the time we want to cut, and then make sure that we select the layer, and then press shortcut Alt left square bracket to cut the left part of the video. I undo it by Ctrl Z, or we can use shortcut Alt right square bracket to cut the right part of video. I undo it by Ctrl Z, or we can use Edit and split layer, or we can use the Ctrl Shift D to split the video. So we can delete the first part of the video and then move the video by using Shift to snap it, and then move the work area. So to render the cut video, we can go to Composition and add Render Query. And then we can go to Output module to choose the file format that's for output. And then we can choose the output location in Output 2. And then we can click Render to render out the cut video. This is how we can cut video clip in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist Me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.